Hey guys! So if you've been following this series of videos, you'll know that I've been attempting to make coffee drinks at home, um, which I mean lattes and things of that nature. I'm not drinking straight black coffee. That's not my goal. So I have been using with the Moka Pot Valentine Coffee Roasters Espresso Dolce from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And I think I told the story about how I found this, but I was looking for a locally owned coffee house on my route to work. I found Mama D's in Waukesha, which wasn't too far off route. Tried them, happened to really like them. Asked them what they use. They use this. It's locally roasted in Milwaukee. And I can buy it there, or I can buy it online and have it shipped to me for like $5 more. So, and Whole Foods has it. So that's what I've been using. It's been the basis for all of my comparisons with Nespresso pods and things of that nature. A friend of mine gifted me this GILA Espresso Cafe Tostado y Molido 100% Arabica. It's from Mexico, Mexican espresso. And this is supposed to be considerably darker and stronger. This one has a 4 out of 5 stars for body, no acidity, and a moderately dark roast. This one has the darkest roast on there. It requires either espresso machine, Moka Pot, or French press. It's pretty cool. So I want to try this, and I want to see, do I like it? Is it very similar to this? Do I like it as much as this? Do I like it more than this? How do I feel about it? I hope I don't love it, because I have no idea if this is something you can get on Amazon, or you have to go to Mexico to get it, or if you can get it in like a Mexican grocer. I don't know how hard this is to replicate. So I hope I don't love this, because this I can just go to a place near my job and get. So here I've been storing the grounds from the Valentine Coffee Roasters in here. It smells like a really nice garden with fruit in the garden, is what it smells like to me. This smells darker and more bitter. Like, even the smell is like, you know how a lot of coffee smells really good? It smells better than it tastes. Like, you walk down the coffee aisle in the grocery store, it smells amazing. It doesn't always live up to that. This more or less tastes like it smells. This does not smell nearly as pleasant. So I hope that this tastes better than it smells. So let's go over and let's brew some with the Moka Pot and let's compare them. Okay, so let's get to brewing with the Moka Pot. So I'm actually going to start frothing some milk so that we can try both of these in a latte. I'll wait for the, this one's almost done. I don't want to see the results, but I will get this milk out for that purpose. It's much more bitter, much less complex than the other one. But let's let it cool down some. I'm gonna make some frothed milk.